Good morning, the students of plus 2. Today's questions are very interesting. We are studying unit 2 of biology. Second unit name is genetics and evolution. Second lesson is molecular basis of inheritance. The rest of the questions are transcription and protein synthesis, translation. Yesterday you studied about the replication of bacteriophage, and today's 2 marks question is central dogma. What do you mean by central dogma? Central dogma is nothing else. It is the replication of the DNA. From DNA to DNA formation is replication. From DNA to RNA formation is transcription. And from RNA, transfer RNA, messenger RNA, a protein synthesis is there. And protein synthesis by the multiplication of the amino acids. By chain formation of the amino acid is called translation. So replication, transcription, translation is all central dogma. And sometimes from DNA to RNA is formed, that is called transcription. And in virus, from RNA to DNA is formed by reverse transcription. So this is all called central dogma. The process of central dogma takes place inside the nucleus. I have drawn the outside boundary line, that is the cell wall or cell membrane, and this is nuclear membrane. And in the nucleus, the central dogma takes place. Replication of the DNA, transcription of the DNA, and translation. Translation takes place outside the nucleus, inside the cell, in cytoplasm. Protein synthesis is there by making polyribosomes. So, after transcription, the messenger RNA formed from the DNA is given out from the pores of the nucleus into the cytoplasm. It is all about central dogma. Our next beautiful questions of 2 marks question or 3 marks question is what is transcription unit? The meaning of transcription unit is that transcription is the formation of messenger RNA. The messenger RNA formed having promoter gene, structural genes, and terminator genes is called the transcription unit. At the 5 end, there is a promoter, methylene, and there are triplet code, the structural genes which make proteins, and the end terminator genes which close the formation of the protein synthesis. This unit of having promoter genes, structural genes, and terminator genes is transcription unit. Next beautiful question is a right note on the structure of the transfer RNA. Normally, RNA is a single-strand polynucleotide made of bases adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil in place of thymine. And the long chain single polynucleotide sometimes is coiled to make a coiled structure. The coiling may be of a normal loop RL, that very clover leaf shaped structure. It is two-directional 2D diagram, clover leaf. If we study 3D, that is L-shaped. 3D is L-shaped and 2D is clover leaf. The transfer form RNA is a very interesting particle of the nucleus. It is a adapter. It has an adapter role, and it is present in the nucleus, and it helps to make that protein synthesis. There are 100 types of transfer RNA. The 100 types of transfer RNA carries amino acid. That is the transfer carrier part of the body carries amino acid for the synthesis of the protein. Now, it has 4 points. The terminal point is amino acid carrier site, amino acid binding site. The opposite end is anticode. The code is on messenger RNA. This is messenger RNA attached to the lower end, that is anticode recognition end. As the code is CCG, its anticode is GGC. Whatever is on messenger RNA, its opposite strand will be opposite code, opposite base will be on the that very messenger RNA. You already know that adenine combines with uracil and uracil combined with adenine. Cytosine combined with guanine and guanine combined with cytosine. This is the RNA folded molecule. It has 4 strands formed of hydrogen bonding between the 3 loops. The loops are, these are the, if we open it, it is a long chain, and they are coiled by making hydrogen bond, adenine, uracil, cytosine, guanine. The point to be noted, one end is CCA end, carrier end, one end is enzyme site, and other is ribosome site, and the lowest end is recognition site with amino A, that very messenger RNA. This is recognition site, then code, anticode end. This is enzyme site. The enzyme is dihydroxyuracil end, and the carrier end is opposite end. Carrier end, recognition end, ribosome site, enzyme site. So before studying transcription and protein synthesis, we must have to learn basic knowledge about transfer RNA, messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, transcription unit, and central dogma today, and we will continue tomorrow. Please study well from your books. Tomorrow is a Sunday holiday, and you revise, my dear friends, first unit. For 2 hours you sit and do meditation, first unit, and complete your left out portion, because self-study is the best study. God bless.